I knew something was weird. I knew something was wrong.
Endometriosis impacts about 10% of women, but according to the documentary Below the Belt, it can take years to get a diagnosis, and treatment often fails to solve the problem. Melanie Tanionis' daughter suffers from the condition, and she brought the screening to Burlington to raise awareness.
My daughter was suffering from, at the time I didn't know, were symptoms of endometriosis. And in the first year, one of the clinicians said, maybe you should look into this. And she had 2 x-rays, 2 ultrasounds. She saw a gastro specialist. She saw her pediatrician. She saw a adolescent specialist in gynecology. And still she was pretty sick.
Dr. Malcolm Kip McKenzie cared for Melanie's daughter and spoke at the event.
In residency, I wasn't the primary person. I was the assistant at a surgery, learning surgery for endometriosis, doing treatment for endometriosis under the supervision of somebody who would then see that patient later. I never saw them after they had surgery. I assumed they all got better. And then reality struck when I was in practice, actually seeing the patients back who I had done surgery on. Good God, not one of them was getting better.
If we don't say we're not going to live like this anymore, we're not going to accept this anymore, no one's going to do it for us. It's up to us to make the change.
I hope they took away, how is it possible that there are people, as I said in the introduction, who have surgery every year, not for a couple of years, but for 2 decades? It's not unusual for me to find women like that. So I hope what they take away is this is something fundamentally wrong with the system.
From Grandview Farm, I'm Sydney Bowles.